Wagwan people. I see face I don't know see a them are I'm bridging Tevon there, see me?
Yeah.
So today I make one video on the best destination them we think if you live in a Jamaica or you visit Jamaica right now, the best place them I figure, you see me? Most of the place them, my friend Tevon he go most of them, but we got some of them. But we all say which one of them we think are best, and all of them good still, but we also which one of them we think I stand up more, which one of them if we definitely visit. So let's get straight into it. So first up on the list we have Dungs River. You see me? Dungs River now. We got Dungs River one time. You see me? Yeah, Dungs River was a nice experience for me. What about you?
Yeah, man. Nice, yes.
You say you like Dungs River?
Yeah, I've been down there one time.
One more time.
One more time. Yeah,
Mm,
I love down there. Yeah, man. Love the other thing, man. You see me?
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. And yeah, man, so if you look right there, so it's one picture of Dungs River. Yeah. And makes up on the list a Devon House. I have never been to Devon House. So past there, but I have never been there. You ever been there,
No,
Devon?
never been to Devon House,
How
but
comes?
past, no, me past there, but
So like I didn't seem to like me, man.
me never stop there, so,
Mm.
but me I like to experience it.
Yeah.
You see it? But, yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
But
One go to
hopefully
go to
one day.
ice cream, man.
Yeah, come here, say ice cream nice up there and thing, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so
For real, man.
make a run through one night time, see how you see it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
What about Doctor's Cave Beach? You ever go there?
Actually, me don't know for that today. You understand? So,
Yeah.
honest truth, me never ever been there. You
Well,
see it?
me neither, but me used to the beach a bad.
Mm-hmm.
Used to the beach have a bus, man, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's about Bob Marley Museum. Me want to go there, so
Me
but
never
never
been
been
there.
there.
Never been there.
Eh?
Never.
Yeah, man.
But
People,
me don't want to go
Bob
there.
Marley Museum, I want to number one stop. Three little birds. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Me I tell you, it's a good look. About 7 Mile Beach in negril.
I've been to Negril, but I've
Never
been to
been to
Long
some.
Bay Beach.
Oh, Long Bay
Long
Beach.
Bay
Yeah,
Beach.
guys, that's the next one. Long
Yes,
Bay
Long
Beach.
Bay Beach, but 7 Mile,
No,
no,
7 Mile.
never been there, but I
Well,
want to go there one night time still.
oh,
Yeah, man.
surprisingly, I have never been to Negril. So
Really?
I have never been to
Really?
either of those. No, so that is definitely on my list to visit for sure. So have you ever been to Blue Mountains?
Actually, no, but I would love to visit though.
Yeah, me
Yeah.
I say up the cool.
Oh,
I mean, say the coffee nice. Yeah, man, so
me don't want to go try coffee up there still, yes.
yeah, we
Yeah.
don't want to go to Blue Mountain. For real.
Mm-hmm.
Wonder if they are monkey.
I don't know what apart them
Speaking
though.
about Blue Mountain, our next analysis is Mystic Mountains.
Never been there. Actually,
The
the
pass
pass,
is the one
pass
here.
it, but we never stop.
There's a Mystic Mountain, nice.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
if
man.
you climb so you climb wall or something up there.
They
And
have rides
yeah,
and
rides and then
attractions
something,
somewhere.
but we don't want to make a stop on that time. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We don't go to Mystic Mountains, yeah, man. So
Mhm.
that's also on my list.
Yeah, man.
What about Green Gato Cave?
Never been there.
Yeah,
Pass through.
I have never been there neither, what? I have never actually been to a cave to
No,
think about it.
I never.
Never been, but it's so nice.
Yeah.
To Dolphin Cove.
No, but we passed there.
You know,
Yeah.
so me pass
Actually,
there too. Me
one
never
that
been.
time I was living in Ocho Rios, but
Oh,
I never ever go that
stop by
we never
Dolphin
stop that.
Cove.
Yeah.
So you don't want to go swim with the fish them.
Me don't try it out one that time, yes.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Yeah, me don't try it.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
Dolphin
man.
Cove look like it's a.
Yeah, it's a nice place me here and anything.
Yeah, man, it's a nice one to visit.
Me never been there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And have you ever been to Jamestown Beach?
No, I heard about it, but never
Yeah.
been there. Yeah.
I have friends that told me about James Bond Beach. Say it's a good beach.
Mhm.
So that's definitely on my list also.
Yeah, man.
And our next one is Ocho Rios Beach or Ocho Rios Bay Beach. I have been there. It's a lovely
They
beach. I
been
like
there.
it. You been there?
Yeah, that'll
Yeah,
be
man.
nice.
I would totally
Nice.
recommend
I mean, I'll
anyone
go back there
visiting
again.
Jamaica or in Jamaica and
Yeah,
never been to Ocho Rios Bay Beach. Check it out.
check it out.
It's
Yeah,
a good one. Now, one and next on our list is Emancipation Park. You ever been there?
pass. Never been there. Never stop.
Never been to Emancipation Park.
No,
Yeah. Well, I think one of the time I kind of stopped there, but I have never like spent
no time.
uh mm, say an hour or nothing like that.
Okay,
So I wouldn't say I have been to Emancipation Park.
okay.
But next place is Elsha Beach.
Elsa Beach up in Portmore side.
You ever been?
No, I've been to
Sound
Portmore.
like Elsha
I've
Beach.
been to Portmore, but
Yeah,
I never been to any of the beaches up there.
it's a never.
Never. But me I make a one stop. Now Elsha, yes. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So next, this is attraction. You ever been to Cool Runnings
Cornings?
water park?
No,
Me neither. But
never.
so what do you think about Cool Runnings? From what you have heard.
Then what I heard about Cornings, and they say they have a lot of rides and those things on there. Enjoy yourself and things, slides. And they have, when it's called the party, they're going on dog party.
Jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we don't want to go down
Yeah,
there.
I feel
Go.
like more than one.
We don't want to go down
but
there go experience them for myself. Yeah.
I feel like kind of summer though. Like
Yeah.
because it's a water attraction
Yeah.
place.
Yeah, so
In
Yeah,
the
man.
summer. You ever been to National Heroes Park?
no, never.
Well,
Actually, I don't know where. I don't know where you found that place.
yeah.
Yeah.
And our next place is, and this is another beach that I have heard that is very good too, is Puerto Rico Beach.
No, I never been to the Porcito Beach.
My aunt talk about this beach all the while.
Oh.
I have to go there.
Okay.
Puerto Rico Beach.
Yeah.
It's a good one. So Appleton State.
No, actually, no, never.
You know, say one go Appleton State one good way. I don't know, but just a wonder. I mean, I get a chance to go there, but I don't actually want to go there. I actually want to go there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Appleton State. So, you ever been to Port Royal?
No, never been to Port Royal, but I'd like to visit, yes. Never been down there.
Well, I have never been near to Port Royal, but never actually go around it. I must say, yeah, man, run a Port Royal lake. Don't want to visit around there for real, man.
Yeah.
So, about Blue Wall?
Blue Wall. A lot of Blue Wall.
Yeah. You want to know what you ever go?
No, I've never been to any cheers. Never.
I have never been, but I see a lot of images of it, and it look like a nice
Yeah.
place to go.
Tourism and then something there go right on raft and anything and then something there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So, have you ever been to you ever passed Flatbridge?
No, I don't think.
Yeah.
I don't think. If I supposed to go to Orchards, but I drive cable side, but no, I think I will drive from Flatbridge. No,
See.
never.
So, you ever been to Hope Zoo?
No, never been to any zoo before,
No.
but I would like to visit one of the times. Yeah.
Yeah, never been to Hope Zoo either. But it look like a nice destination, as me say. Yeah, would definitely visit Hope Zoo and give it a try and see
Yeah.
how it work out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, people, those are the top destinations we would really recommend for anybody that is locally living in Jamaica, or who is coming from overseas. these places are a must visit because
They
they're
are
lit.
lit.
You know what?
Yeah.
So soon in the next video.